You see the metal dust here flaking off. I was driving this around the block, and it was just super noisy grinding. And the inner pad probably has nothing left. You see the glitter. I don't know how people can drive like that. And there's somebody obviously put a winter tire on it, and they should have seen that. The outside doesn't look that great, and you can see the glitter here. The inside, there's nothing left. This one also, there's pretty much nothing left. Yeah. Yeah, and the wear indicator has been bypassed, butt liquor, and that obviously that doesn't play it safe for anybody. No warning that the pad is gone, but once you hear grinding noises, you know, that should tell you that something's wrong, butt liquor. Feel free to use power tools where available. It can make the job easier. That's just crazy. Yeah, piston looks clean. No signs of rust. It goes in, that's good. Before you squeeze the piston all the way in, got to make sure that the reservoir has room for the fluid to come back up. Sometimes people keep topping up brake fluid, and that causes things to overflow, such as the case here. So just take some fluid out, and then you can collapse the pistons. So as you can see, we do get rusty vehicles as well, but it doesn't happen that often, or they're not as prominent as you know, in some of the eastern parts of the country. Butt liquor. So the fact that the piston goes in nice and smooth tells me that there's no problem with the piston, with the seal, and this piston is okay to reuse. We're obviously going to clean out these bushings for the sleeves so everything moves nicely. We're going to replace the rotor. Same thing on the other side. This is a butt driver, impact screwdriver. Impact driver. Oh my God. Beautiful. See, and somebody bypassed the wear indicator. Crazy stuff. And these boots, you want to remove these and then get rid of the rust that's inside the bore, because what the rust does is the rust pushes against the boot, and then it distorts the inside, and that can cause or hinder the sliding of the slider. You don't need to worry about your fingers. Your fingers will let you know when you're getting too close to the wheel. So you clean these any way you can. You can use sandpaper, roll up the sandpaper and just move that manually. Whatever works. This one I have a harder time getting in with the tool. or with the bit. Once they are clean, you can put a little bit of lube in here. Lube up the boots. You can push these guys back into place. And lube the inside here for the slider. These guys should go in nice and smooth, butt liquor. And you see they move nice and free. Position the pads. Make sure the outer surface here is also nice and flat. Just some 80 grit, sorry, 60 grit. Plug in the wear indicator. Connector only fits one way. Make sure you hear it click. This one won't click. Come on. There we go. Make sure it doesn't catch anywhere. Yeah, that should be good. It's easy to cross thread these slider pins, so be careful. This one's going in crooked. You should be able to tell just by looking at it how it goes in. That looks better. Nice smooth operation. Dust caps. and you're done. Do the same thing to the other side. Thanks for watching.